Well, welcome everyone to this new session, and I'm going to build this marvelous Dragon Ball model kit. This is the Bulma capsule number 9 motorcycle. Is the first vehicle that is shown in the TV show. And let's see the content of the box. Here is the manual. Here is the color references, the manual of building, that is the shit. Here the challenge on this model kit is probably achieving this manga style with plain colors but also with sharp shadows in it. So let's go for it. What I'm going to start doing with this model kit is priming all parts. Okay, now I have all parts with a primer with white and black. Also, there is some discrepancies between these colors and the ones that are probably in the pictures that you will find in internet and the original TV show. And what I did here is just write down the reference and probably the ones with I need to mix to achieve this tone. And yeah. What I don't like about these models and other models that work in the same way is that when you assemble, as you can see, there are here a recesses finish should be fulfilled with putty or glue. It goes like this. Perfect. Okay, as you can see here, I fill all the unions, all the holes with putty. And now, while I'm waiting to dry this, I'm going to build Goku and doing the same. Okay, now that the putty is dried, I'm going to prime again these two miniatures. Okay, what I have done here is after giving this second priming layer to cover the putty that I put in the holes in the recesses. Now I have applied with a brush one layer of skin tone. As you can see, I chose a darker skin tone for Goku and a clear one for Bulma skin. I'm using, just as a quick reference, this image. As you can see, Goku here is a little bit dark. Yeah, in here. Well, I have already painted the pilot Bulma and the co-pilot Goku. And what I'm going to do before assembling is adding lines to this bike like I did in this side. The idea here is try to replicate these lines that are shown here, and this also shadows, these sharp shadows. And yeah, as you can see, I added here, let me show you where, yeah, here, as you can see in the front light, I have already added these lines. Also here, a shadow, a sharp shadow. Well, I'll finish here adding these sharp shadows that I told you. Then I also add these lines to have this finish like a tune. And yeah, we have the bike, and here the two passengers and the glass. And also here I have the sticks. I'm going to attach Goku to Bulma first, and then I will sit Bulma. Yeah, woohoo! If you like this video, thumbs up side, and remember, fellows and follows are welcome.